it's time to do your workbook. Please open your DIGIMATH to page 16 and 17. Okay. Now, read and write. You will read the text about other routines, and then you will answer the questions. Okay? Now, class, let's read the text with the teacher. Okay? This is Adam. He gets up at 6 o'clock and go to school at very good 7 o'clock every day. In the evening, he does his homework at 8 o'clock and at 9 o'clock. Okay, now let's see. Question 1. What times does he go to school? Okay, what time does he go to school? Look at the text again. And then, he go to school at 7 o'clock. So you can write he go to school at 7 o'clock. Okay, yes, you got it, class? Very good. Can you do next? Well done. Okay, now you will listen to Peter and Anne talking about their routines, and then you will fill in the blank. Okay, now let's listen carefully.
Listen to Peter and Anne talking about their routines. Fill in the blanks.
Hi, Anne. You usually go to school early. What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, that is good. What time do you do your homework in the evening?
I do my homework at 8 o'clock.
And I do my homework at 7 o'clock.
Okay, now you will listen again very carefully and fill in the blank. Okay?
Blanks.
Hi, Anne. You usually go to school early. What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay, can you hear? 6 o'clock, right. So you will write 6 o'clock. Okay, now can you listen and do next by yourself? Okay, very good, class. Okay, now it's speak time. You will talk about time shows on this class with your friends. Okay, and use the subjective structures like this. Okay, in these speak times, you will work in pair. One student will ask and one student will answer. Okay, for example, teacher 1. Now, one student will ask, what time is it? Very good. And it is 3 o'clock. Okay? You understand? Can you do it? Very good, class. Now, let's look again what we have learned today.
Summary. Tell the time. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock.
Okay, now look. What is this, class? Remember? Yes, it's clock. So, what time is it? It's very good. It's 7 o'clock. Very good, class. This is the end of our video today. You have done a great job. Don't forget to do all questions in your book and practice more on ITO system. Now, before saying goodbye, it's time for you to check all the key for all exercises and note down our vocabulary today. I hope that you have a lot of correct answers. Have fun learning English with DIGIMATH and goodbye!
Listen to Peter and Anne talking about their routines. Fill in the blanks.
Hi, Anne. You usually go to school early. What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, that is good. What time do you do your homework in the evening?
I do my homework at 8 o'clock.
And I do my homework at 7 o'clock.
This is the end of the audio.